Good afternoon, students. Today we shall discuss about the triangle and its properties. Topics to be covered in this chapter are introduction about triangle, types of triangle based on sides and angles, medians of a triangle, altitudes of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle and its properties, angle sum property of a triangle, two special triangles, that is equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle, sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle, and the last one is right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. Once again, topics to be covered in this chapter are introduction about triangle, types of triangle based on sides and angles, medians of a triangle, altitudes of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle and its properties, angle sum property of a triangle, two special triangles, that is equilateral and isosceles triangle, sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle, and the last one is right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. Let us learn these topics one by one. Students, exactly what is a triangle? Think about it. The name itself says triangle. Here, tri means three, and you know that angle means orientation between two sides. So, basically we can say triangle is a geometrical shape with three angles. Okay, now come to the definition. Definition of triangle is: a triangle is a simple closed curve made of three line segments. It has three vertices, three sides and three angles. Here we have three line segments AB, BC and CA. We have to make a triangle with these line segments. See here, by using these three line segments, we make here a triangle. This is a triangle whose name is ABC triangle. We will write its name as triangle ABC. Let us see. We know that this is a triangle whose name is ABC triangle. How can we write the name of this triangle? Let us see. When you write the name of a triangle, you have to put a triangular sign before the name. You read it by triangle ABC or APC triangle. Now come to the second point, that is side. By the above definition, you have already known that a triangle is made up of three line segments, and these line segments are nothing but the sides of the triangle. So here AB is a side of this triangle, BC is another side of this triangle and CA another sides of this triangle. You can also write it by BA side, CB side and AC side. Okay. Now come to the second part, that is vertices. What is vertices? Vertices is the plural form of vertex. Then what is vertex? Vertex is a point where two sides meet with each other. A is a vertex as AB side and AC side meet with each other at a point. B is another vertex of this triangle as AB side and BC side meet with each other at the point B. And finally C is the third vertex of this triangle as AC side and BC side meet with each other at C point. So there are three vertices of this triangle, those are A, B and C. Also there are three sides of this triangle, those are AB, BC and CA. Remember it. We know that angle tells us the orientation between the sides. See here, This is the symbol of angle. When we will write an angle, we have to put this symbol before the vertex where the angle is created. Okay? Here, angle A is created by the orientation between two sides, that is AB and AC. This is angle B, which is created by the orientation of two sides AB and BC. And this is angle C, which is created by the orientation between two sides AC and BC. You can also write these angles by this way: BAC angle, ABC angle and BCA angle. And also you can write CAB, CBA and ACB angle. Interchanging of the points does not matter here, but you have to notice that, you have to remember that you have to mention the vertex in the middle position where the angle is created. Now A angle is of 75 degree, angle B is 50 degree and angle C is 55 degree. When you write the measurement of any angle, you have to write M before the angle sign. Let us take an example. Here A is of 75 degree, so here we write that measurement of A angle is equal to 75 degree and measurement of B angle is 50 degree and measurement of C is equal to 55 degree. So when you write the measurement of any angle, you have to write M before the angle sign. Remember it. M means measurement. Measurement of angle A, measurement of angle B, measurement of angle C. Okay. Types of triangle based on sides. Triangles are of three types based on sides. Those are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and the third one is equilateral triangle. Scalene triangles are those triangles whose all sides are unequal. That means all sides are unequal. Let us take an example. Here ABC is a triangle whose sides are AB, BC and AC. AB is of 3 cm, BC is 5 cm and AC is 7 cm. All sides are unequal. So this triangle is known as scalene triangle. Come to the second triangle, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles are those triangles whose two sides are equal. Let us take an example. This is triangle PQR whose sides are PQ, QR and PR. PQ is 5 cm, QR is 5 cm but PR is 8 cm. Here two sides are equal, that is PQ and QR, whose measurement is 5 cm. So PQR triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now come to the third triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle are those triangles whose all sides are equal. Let us take an example of an equilateral triangle. Here LMN is an equilateral triangle as its all sides are equal. LM, MN, LN all the sides are 4 cm of length. So this is an equilateral triangle. Let us take some more examples and you have to fill the name of these triangles, sides of these triangles, vertices of these triangles and types of these triangles. Which type of the triangle is. Okay. Here this is triangle ABC and the sides are AB, BC and AC. AB is 5 cm, BC is 5 cm, AC is 9 cm. Now write the vertices of this triangle. As its two sides are equal, AB and BC are of same length 5 cm. So this is known as isosceles triangle. Here you can also write the angles of this triangle. Now students, write the angles of triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C. Now come to the second figure, triangle EFG. Here triangle EFG has different length of sides. EF is 7 cm, FG is 12 cm and EG is 9 cm. So this is a scalene triangle and its vertices are E, F and G. Angles are angle E, angle F and angle G. Name of the third figure is triangle HIJ, whose sides are HI, IJ and HJ. HI is 6 cm, IJ is also 6 cm and HJ is also 6 cm. Vertices are H, I and J. This is an equilateral triangle and its angles are H angle, I angle and J angle. Types of triangle based on angles. Triangles are of three types based on angles. Those are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is a triangle whose all angles are less than 90 degree. Let us take an example. Here ABC is a triangle. A angle is of measurement 50 degree, measurement of B is 75 degree and measurement of C is 55 degree. All angles are less than 90 degree. So ABC is an acute angle triangle. Now come to the second triangle, that is right angle triangle. It is a triangle whose one angle is equal to 90 degree. Let us take an example. Here PQR is a right angle triangle because if you measure the angle of Q, you can find Q is of 90 degree. If you put this sign, there is no need to write 90 degree because this indicates 90 degree. Measurement of Q is equal to 90 degree. So PQR is a right angle triangle. Now come to the third triangle, obtuse angle triangle. It is a triangle whose one angle is greater than 90 degree. Here LMN is an obtuse angle triangle because its N angle is 120 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. Let us try to do some questions. First question is, write the 6 elements, that is the 3 sides and the 3 angles of triangle ABC. To answer this question, we have to draw a triangle whose name is triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. And now we have to write the 3 sides of this triangle and the 3 angles of this triangle. 3 sides of triangle ABC are AB, BC and CA. 3 angles of triangle ABC are angle A, angle B and angle C. Also you can write angle BAC, angle CBA and angle ACB, or also you can write angle CAB, angle ABC and angle BCA. Here is another question. Write the side opposite to the vertex Q of triangle PQR. To answer this question, we have to draw a triangle PQR. We have to write the side opposite to the vertex Q of PQR. Here PR is located in the opposite direction of vertex Q. So answer is PR. Now tell angle opposite to the side LM of triangle LMN. So here also we have to draw a triangle whose name is triangle LMN. As angle N is situated in the opposite direction of side LM, so N is opposite to the side LN. And the third one is, write the vertex opposite to the side RT of triangle RST. Here also we have to draw a triangle whose name is triangle RST. So here AS is the vertex opposite to the side RT of triangle RST. At first you have to read the questions at least 5 times, then you answer the questions easily. Okay. Thank you students.